Mercedes-AMG has updated the sporty top model of the model series with numerous visual highlights and attractive equipment packages. The standard innovations on the CLS53 AMG Plus include the redesigned front end with a sporty AMG bumper in a wing form with black flicks and visible air curtains, as well as the AMG signature grille with vertical bars. The surrounds of the windscreen frames are made of polished aluminium or, in combination with the night package, in high-gloss black. The exterior mirrors are painted in the color of the vehicle. Here, too, models with the AMG Night Package or AMG Exterior 2 Carbon Package are an exception. The mirrors there are finished in high-gloss black or have a housing made of carbon fiber. Mercedes-AMG drivers also steer the CLS with the latest generation steering wheel, here in Nappa leather finish and with the familiar AMG steering wheel buttons with display.